Hi guys, hope you are doing well. This is Ram. So we are going to discuss about Saturn in the 11th house. This is the one of the best placement for Saturn, but uh, it this placement actually initially will give you little bit challenges also. So that you should know about it. It is like no pain, no gain. In order to give some gains in your life, because 11th house represents gains, 11th house represents fulfillment of your desires. But Saturn is the planet of hard working. So if you observe very carefully, in order to achieve any goals in your life, you have to do hard work. You need to put at least little bit efforts, at least, right? It is not like you will get anything very easily. That's what Saturn in the 11th house means. So no pain, no gain. This you should remember. So it is not like you will get things very easily. So at the same time, if Saturn actually well placed, it won't give you much pain. Here, no pain, no gain in the sense, don't get me wrong. That by thinking that you will face a lot of problems before and then you will get very good results. It's not like that. It is like how you studied your exams, how you for general kind of normal kind of challenges you will face. After that, actually, you will get after that you will fulfill your desires. That's what this placement actually represents. That is the number one point. Number two, actually, this placement is all about vitamin M. What is vitamin M? M for money. So, because 11th house is the one of the important house for wealth, creating wealth, because it's all about income and multiple, especially it represents multiple source of income. When you have one source of income, it is not only represents income, it is also represents multiple source of income. Because of that only I said it is the house of vitamin M. So so it will give you multiple source of income also. Let's say, for example, you are a software engineer, you are getting very good income. That is only one source of income. Because of your Saturn in the 11th house, and you are a person who is able to do a lot of hard work, you will feel like I have the energy to do extra hard work also. Then you not only work in a company for 5 days per week, even in Saturday Sunday also you may do extra work, or else you may create a YouTube channel where you will teach the coding or any programming language. So such kind of thoughts actually you will get when your Saturn actually placed in the 11th house. Whatever it is, whatever the ascendant it is, for most of the cases it is like that, but we need to check other things also. Of course, ascendant also important, because ascendant based on ascendant we will understand other planetary influencing on this Saturn. If Saturn getting positive aspect from Jupiter, then you will get such kind of thoughts. At this time, not only getting thoughts, here not only getting thoughts, implementation also important. All of you whoever have Saturn in the 11th house will get such kind of thoughts that I want to get multiple source of income by doing extra hard work. That is very important. The extra hard work is represented by Saturn. So it's not like something very easy. And whether you will able to implement and get positive results or not. Positive results in the sense getting more income. That depends upon how your Saturn actually well placed in this 11th house. At the same time, 11th lord condition also very important. So generally, even 11th lord condition is not good, but if Saturn is well placed in the 11th house, it's try to give positive result. Let's say, for example, you are Leo ascendant, Saturn is placed in the 11th house, and but Mercury is not well placed. Still, Saturn is try to give you some good results. Even 11th lord is not well placed. Instead of 100% good results, you will get 50 percentage or 40 percentage good results of 11th house stuff. At the same time, Saturn things also. So that is the second thing about multiple source of income and income. And even in some cases actually they may not implement properly about extra source of income, or else multiple source of income by doing hard work. Still, they will get better income in the future because of Saturn in the 11th house. Like they are ready to do more hard work in this um, same source of income, same job or same business. Then they will get more income in the future, because Saturn is actually takes time to get good results. So by time it will improve because it's placed in this 11th house, and Saturn itself is the planet which will give you positive results latter part. Like after doing hard work, it will take time to give good results. So it is varies from one chart to another chart. In some cases, if 11th lord condition, all the stuff actually well placed, then you will get extra source of income by doing extra hard work, by putting extra efforts. In some cases actually, in the same source of income, their wish of their desire of getting more income from the job, that will fulfill after with a little bit delay, it will fulfill. So likewise actually it varies from one chart to another chart. Actually these people are very practical kind of people. Like before implementing any decision or idea, they check each and everything whether it is working properly or not. Like these people, when these people are into software company, software industry, they are working in software industry, then I suggest them to do test engineering job rather than development job, because of the Saturn energy which aspects on fifth house. Fifth house is your mind, that I will explain later. But one thing I want to tell you, do not take this as a do not take this joke as serious, because we need to check your 10th house condition, all this stuff. But whatever it is, you have this hidden talent of testing things properly or perfectly. Like when you take a decision, or any when you take decision on, let's say you want to buy a house, then you check each and everything, like how a test engineer test any application or any software. So that is the positive thing, that even if you are interested in Java programming, if you are into software industry and you are doing a Java program, you can't able to do test engineering, then you can use these test engineering skills in your life. Okay, forgot one thing. Saturn aspect on fifth house. Fifth house means your children. So you want your children should follow same kind of discipline you follow in your life. This is you have wish, and this wish will be fulfilled unless fifth lord and fifth house condition is not good. Of course, we need to check Saturn condition also, but main thing actually we need to check fifth house and fifth lord condition. So, and another thing actually, Saturn aspect on first house. First house actually your body, your health related stuff actually indicated by first house, because I explained this in the first house video. I don't need to explain, it will be very video will be very lengthy if you explain. You just check it out, why, how come health also represented by first house, not only sixth house, not only sixth house, first house also important regarding health matters. So you will be very health conscious person, you follow some good diet or you do gym, etc. All this stuff actually indicated because of Saturn aspect on first house. So that's it all about Saturn in the 11th house. Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.